This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for September 3rd. Well, the corn market finished mixed, with the front few months drawing a little bit of strength from the wheat and soybean markets. There are some ideas floating around out there that the USDA's August yield estimate of 174.6 bushels per acre could be the lowest estimate that we'll see this crop year, especially after the recent rain events moved across the U.S. Midwest over the past week or two. Weekly export sales were reported at 45.6 million bushels, which was at the low end of trade expectations. It's probably worth noting that September 1st begins the start of a new marketing year for corn. The soybean market traded higher as it was propelled by solid weekly export sales of 78.4 million bushels. Soybean prices drew additional support from the soybean oil and canola markets, as well as strength in the energy markets. The wheat market finished the day modestly higher, with December Minneapolis futures coming within a half a cent of closing at $9. The weekly export sales were on the disappointing side of things, coming in at 10.9 million bushels. Now, the next real sense of direction for the wheat market will probably come when the USDA's small grain summary and September 1st grain stocks reports are released on September 30th. What we do know at this point is that there's been a tightening of global supplies of good quality protein wheat. Cotton staged a bit of a rally and made it back to the bottom of its previous trading range. At the close yesterday, we had December futures 99 points higher, closing at 93.29. Livestock futures were lower straight across the board. At the finish, we had October live cattle $1.52.5 lower, while October feeder cattle were down $3 at the closing bell. October lean hog futures lost some ground as well. They finished down 30 cents for the day. Class 3 milk futures spent the session trading in an extremely narrow, tight trading range. At the close, we had October futures 3 points lower as we settled at $16.81. And meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef ended the day 53 cents lower, closing at $337.92. Select boxes were down $2.60 as they closed at $304.97. Pork carcass cutout values had a little bit of strength yesterday, however. They closed $2.73 higher, settling at $109.01 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.